Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we're delving into a topic that's been a source of curiosity for many types of men women find sexually attractive. It's important to note that attractiveness varies from person to person, but there are certain characteristics that tend to stand out. In this video, we'll explore 20 proven qualities that women often find sexually appealing in men. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more insightful discussions. Let's get started. 1. Confidence. Confidence is an attractive quality because it exudes self-assuredness and belief in oneself. When a man is confident, it shows he's comfortable in his own skin, which can be incredibly appealing. It's not about arrogance, but rather about being sure of who you are and what you bring to the table. Confidence can be seen in the way you carry yourself, the way you make eye contact, and how you handle challenging situations. It's like a magnetic aura that draws people in, making them feel secure and comfortable in your presence. 2. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor can be a game changer in building connections and sparking attraction. Women often find men who can make them laugh very appealing. Humor lightens the mood and creates a sense of joy and shared experiences. It's not about being a stand-up comedian. It's about the ability to find and appreciate humor in everyday situations and to make your partner laugh. A sense of humor can break the ice, create memorable moments, and strengthen emotional bonds. When you can make someone laugh, you're not just attractive, you're also creating a positive and enjoyable atmosphere in any relationship. 3. Intelligence. Intellectual stimulation is a quality that many women find sexually appealing. Being well-read, knowledgeable, and engaging in thoughtful conversations can be a powerful turn-on. Intelligence isn't just about book smarts, it's about the ability to engage in meaningful discussions, share insights, and learn together. When a man demonstrates intelligence, it indicates a capacity for growth, curiosity, and the potential for deep, intellectual connections. It's an attractive quality that goes beyond the surface and can foster a strong, long-lasting bond. 4. Kindness and empathy. Kindness and empathy are qualities that resonate with many women. Being considerate, caring, and understanding shows that you can connect on a deeper emotional level. These qualities create a nurturing and compassionate environment in any relationship, making women feel cherished and valued. When a man displays kindness and empathy, he not only appears attractive but also creates a supportive and loving space where emotional intimacy can flourish. These qualities are like the glue that holds relationships together, making them stronger and more resilient. 5. Ambition. Having goals and ambitions is an attractive quality because it shows a drive to succeed and a passion for life. Women often admire men who are goal-oriented and have a sense of purpose. Ambition indicates a desire to grow and evolve. And it can be motivating and inspiring for both partners. It's not about being workaholic, but rather about having a clear vision for the future and the determination to work towards it. Ambition can create a sense of adventure and a shared journey towards achieving personal and shared dreams. 6. Good communication skills. Effective communication is vital in any relationship, and women often find men who can express themselves and listen actively to be more attractive. Good communication builds trust, understanding, and emotional intimacy. It's about expressing thoughts and feelings openly, being a good listener, and engaging in honest conversations. When a man possesses good communication skills, it fosters a strong and healthy connection that can weather the challenges of a relationship. 7. Physical fitness and health. Taking care of your physical health is not just a personal benefit but can also be a turn-on for women. It shows discipline, dedication, and the effort you put into maintaining your well-being. While it's essential to be comfortable in your own skin, being healthy and physically fit can boost self-confidence and attractiveness. It's not about adhering to unrealistic beauty standards, but rather about promoting self-care and well-being. 8. Respect. Respect, both for oneself and others, is a cornerstone of any successful relationship. Women appreciate men who treat everyone with respect, regardless of their background or status. Respect is about valuing people's opinions, boundaries, and autonomy. When a man demonstrates respect, it creates a harmonious and safe space in the relationship, where mutual understanding and appreciation can flourish. 9. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, or the ability to understand and manage emotions, is a quality many women find attractive because it leads to more fulfilling and empathetic connections. It involves being in touch with your own emotions and having the capacity to recognize and respond to the emotions of others. Emotional intelligence is essential for effective communication and for creating an emotionally safe and supportive environment in the relationship. 10. Confidence in the bedroom. Confidence in the bedroom is a crucial aspect of sexual attraction. It's about being comfortable with your own body and desires and being able to communicate openly with your partner about your needs and preferences. Confidence in the bedroom can lead to more satisfying and enjoyable intimate experiences, creating a deeper level of connection between partners. It's not about being overly aggressive, but rather about being secure in your sexuality and being attuned to your partner's desires. 11. Sense of adventure. Many women find men with a sense of adventure appealing. It shows a willingness to explore new experiences, create exciting memories, and embrace the unknown. A sense of adventure can lead to more fulfilling and diverse experiences together, making the relationship vibrant and dynamic. 12. Being supportive. Supportive partners are highly appreciated. Women are attracted to men who stand by them, offering encouragement and understanding during life's challenges. Being a source of support and motivation is an attractive quality because it creates a nurturing and safe space in the relationship, where both partners can thrive and grow. 13. Responsibility. Taking responsibility for your actions and commitments is a mature and attractive quality. It fosters trust and reliability in a relationship, showing that you can be counted on. Responsibility is about being accountable for your choices and being proactive in maintaining a healthy and stable relationship. 14. Sense of style. Your sense of style can be visually appealing and reflect your personality. While you don't need to be a fashion icon, dressing well and having a personal style can make a positive first impression. It's about expressing your uniqueness and making an effort to present yourself in a way that represents your individuality. 15. Thoughtful gestures. Thoughtful gestures, like surprise flowers or preparing a favorite meal, can make women feel cherished and loved. It's a simple yet powerful way to show you care and are willing to go the extra mile to make your partner feel special. 16. Sense of independence. While being in a relationship is wonderful, maintaining a sense of independence is also attractive. It shows that you value your individuality while being part of a partnership. Independence means being capable of enjoying personal hobbies and interests, which can contribute to a more balanced and harmonious relationship. 17. Resilience. Resilience in the face of challenges is an admirable quality. It shows that you can handle adversity and remain steadfast in your commitment to the relationship. Resilience contributes to the long-term success of a relationship, as it helps both partners overcome obstacles together. 18. Being a good listener. Active listening is a crucial skill that can deepen emotional connections. Women often find men who listen attentively and show a genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings to be very appealing. Being a good listener fosters understanding, trust, and open communication. 19. Authenticity. Authenticity is key in building trust and genuine connections. Being yourself and not trying to be someone you're not is an attractive trait because it shows that you're honest and transparent. Authenticity creates a strong foundation for any relationship, where both partners can be true to themselves. 20. Romance and thoughtfulness. Romantic gestures and thoughtfulness can create a sense of passion and connection in a relationship. Surprise date nights, sweet notes, and gestures that show you're thinking of your partner can make her feel special and loved. Thoughtfulness is a way to maintain the spark and excitement in the relationship. In conclusion, it's important to remember that attraction is subjective and can vary from person to person. These qualities are generally considered attractive, but every individual is unique, and personal preferences play a significant role. The key is to be the best version of yourself, authentic and genuine. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on relationships and personal development. Thanks for joining us today, and remember that being yourself is always the most attractive thing you can do. Until next time, take care and keep being amazing.